Friends, again I welcome to you because my target has 70,000 video I have to make. How can I learning? How can I plan English? Daily by daily I have to make video, and daily by daily I have to roar in English. How can I learn English? How can I plan English? That that's what I have to see. I'm not saying I'm proud of boy, I have more knowledge. I'm saying which things you will want if you will hard work, one day you will success. In same way, anything daily by daily you will practice in you can do. Yeah. I give you example. When you will have been, you will have seen, you will have seen, yeah, you will have seen that in whale, that the stone is happened pitch when again by again go to rob that. Yeah. When the stone is again by again the go to rob the stone is happening pitch, and you have to understand. In this time my communication is not well. My vocabulary is no more, but nevertheless I am trying. In for that you have to you will have to want deep fear. Yeah. From deep fear so friends, today in whatever today my no topic any subject especially, so because whatever matter will come my mind I will speak. In age this time you are looking, any person is searching job, and many person like this that they don't want, they want business, but the service is the service is better than business. The service is better than business, but many person don't want business. In first of all we have to understand. So I have two types mind, that I will do business as well as I will study also. Because the study is main things. Yeah, the study is main things. As far as minds come to knowledge, I am saying you that if you will have no knowledge, you can't do anything. Yeah, which this time I am doing, another person can't do. So because in first of all see, he should have complete study. After that he can do. In same way, if business any person can do, but they can't find business. Yeah, he can't think more. So because he has no more knowledge. Same way, in today, in this time going on, every place, every country, yeah, all world is going on coronavirus. Yeah, the coronavirus is very dangerous thing. The coronavirus is very dangerous things. We we should leave each other distance. Yeah, distance. Because and you wash hand again by again. Yeah, that this time India going on is completed very more patient. Yeah, as far as I know, I am saying you. So I have to say, I have to say that you have three things. Yeah, you have three things for learning English. You have three things. First of all, you have to read. Yeah, first of all, you have to read. After that, the in anything you can read. Yeah, in I give example newspaper and any magazine in paper, and you can read books, many books. Yeah. In second thing, the listening is very important thing, and sometime in day, yeah, 1 to 5 times you listen 5 times. Yeah, you listen 5 times. That when you will listen any English news, any English speech, that your vocabulary, your word power will be increased. Yeah, your word power will be increased. After that, in you have to speak fluently, whatever matter. Yeah, that this time I know agree that in can be mistake, but for that you don't worry. In this time when you start beginning, yeah, beginning time can be mistake. Yeah, unless you will not practice, you can't learn English. So first of all, you have to start. Yeah, but that in like this you will not start. Your mouth is not will be open. So first of all, you have to start. Yeah, in daily by daily you have to practice. Yeah, that I have to say is so in listening, in reading, in practice. In three things daily by daily you have to do. And I'm not saying the grammar is not important thing. The grammar is important thing. And yeah, which teacher, yeah, who teacher is teaching, yeah, that the teacher teaches in grammar. Yeah, but I'm saying you fluently. Yeah, how can you fluently? Yeah, how can you fluently? That in first of all in any place, yeah, that there will be any crowd, and in immediately you have to speak is mad. Yeah, another person what will be thinking about you, don't worry. Yeah, you would not mind. And one thing you keep you here, that today I have to speak, then I have to speak. Yeah, whatever come what may, and I will speak. Yeah, so I have to say in about because this is mobile there, so more long video will not upload. Yeah, that this is not computer. So in I can't make long video. Yeah, in about in 30 minutes, 30 minutes in last minute in 40 minutes is happening. That in so I can't make more video, long video. So please, in if in this speech, yeah, whatever matter come will my mind, and I spoke. If in this speech is happen any mistake, so please we want to apologize.